Welcome to Toyota of Hattiesburg. I'm going to walk you through the importance and benefits of the 100,000 mile service for your Toyota. What does a 100,000 mile service include? Well, let's go find out. First, we start with an oil change using our Advanced Formula MOA to ensure your engine stays well lubricated and protected. Next, we replace your spark plugs and use an Injector Cleaner to keep your engine firing efficiently. We'll also change your power steering and differential fluid, ensuring smooth handling and performance. A timing belt replacement is crucial to prevent engine damage, and we inspect your drive belts for any sign of wear. Tire rotation and balance help extend the life of your tires and improve safety. We perform a transmission fluid flush and a coolant flush to keep your vehicle system operating at peak efficiency. Finally, we align your wheels to ensure a smooth, straight ride. So why is the 100,000 mile service important? Well, it ensures optimal performance and longevity of your Toyota. Regular maintenance can help our technicians catch early on issues and prevent costly repairs. Lubrication of critical components minimizes friction and wear, extending their lifespan and avoiding expensive repairs. Adhering to the service schedule will help ensure your Toyota to remain safe and reliable for many more miles. Come talk with one of our service advisors today to schedule your 100,000 mile service. Come see us at Toyota of Hattiesburg. You know the number.